Frustrated with the Microsoft Digital Signature 32 DLL pop-up blocking Windows OS Core? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Quickly resolve Microsoft Digital Signature 32 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Microsoft Digital Signature 32. It manages the verification of authenticode signatures for executables. It is the engine that checks if a file is trusted. If corrupted, the system will block the installation of almost all software, and users will see a certificate was explicitly revoked by its issuer errors for legitimate apps. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. mssign32 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Microsoft Digital Signature 32 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone Microsoft Digital Signature 32 DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Microsoft Digital Signature 32. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Microsoft Digital Signature 32 from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.